Namaste. I hope you all are doing great. If you're new, hi. My name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Help me hit 100k soon because I will be doing a huge giveaway, and also I promise you won't regret it because I will keep posting some bomb content to keep you all entertained. In today's video, I will be recreating this TARA SUTARIA's look. She looks absolutely stunning and her sari, oh my god, it's gorgeous. I wish I had a sari like that, but I'm pretty sure that would be hella expensive. So I'm wearing a chiffon sari instead. Jokes apart, she looks really pretty. Her makeup is very simple, subtle, yet very elegant, and I really wanted to recreate this look. So if you guys are interested, then you should definitely keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to clip away my hair from my face so I don't get any makeup on my hair. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face, and today I will be using the Face Shop Mango Seed Lotion. I'll take about 2 pumps of this and apply it on my face and neck as well. I have mentioned this multiple times already that it is very important to moisturize your face very well before applying any makeup on, because if you might have dry patches here and there, it will help you in getting rid of that and your makeup will look flawless. Next, I will use this Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. I'm trying this product for the first time and I'm not really sure how it performs on the face. It is a silicone based primer which will help in blurring out any texture or pores on my skin, so that's great and it feels very smooth. So I'll basically apply this on the areas where I have more texture or pores. That would be around my nose, on my chin and on my forehead as well. Texture of this primer feels very smooth and nice on the skin. For my foundation, I want to use something that has a good coverage and something that isn't too drying on this skin, because currently I am breaking out on this area of my face because I am on my period. So today I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetics Ace of Face Foundation Stick in the shade called Panna. I won't go crazy with my foundation because I still want my skin to look like skin. And I'll blend this out using a damp sponge. Next, for concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline AG1 in the shade Caramel and the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark. I'll be using the Maybelline AG1 to cancel out any discoloration or darkness and the ColourPop one to highlight my features. So I'll apply this under my eyes and wherever I have blemishes. And on top, I'll be using the ColourPop concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my chin and forehead. This concealer will also help in adding more coverage. And blend it out using the same damp beauty sponge. I'll contour my cheekbones very slightly because Tara seems to have very prominent cheekbones and I have a potato face, so I'll contour my cheekbones very slightly. I will be using the Sugar Cosmetics Face Forward Contour Stick in the shade 01 Fawn first. Always blend your contour upwards, never drag it downwards. If you feel like your contour is looking a little too harsh, you can always go back and use your beauty sponge over it to make it look a little more seamless. To set my under eyes, I will be using the Sugar Cosmetics Powder Play Banana Compact Powder. I'll be using a banana powder today because the yellow tint will help me in brightening up my under eye area. I'll also bake under my contour. This will help my contour look a little more clean and chiseled. Before I forget, I will quickly bake under this portion of my eye because her eyes are like that and I have big round eyes, so I want to create an illusion that my eyes look like this, if I make sense. fill in my brows using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 05. I'll dust off the powder under my contour. Okay, so now for the eyes. Her eye makeup is very simple, nothing too crazy. So I decided to use this affordable eyeshadow by Nykaa, and this is their 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette in the shade Beachside Peach. And this palette has all the tones that I want. I'll use this light brown shade as my first transition shade and apply it all over my crease. And remember, as I mentioned earlier, her eyes are like this, so the direction of my eyeshadow should be the same. Next, I'll use this beautiful golden color, and I'll pick up this color on a flat shader brush. Make sure that it's not too dense, otherwise the pigmentation will be very harsh. And I want a very subtle wash of golden all over the lids. So I'll use something which is not very stiff. I'll add a little bit of this shade to my crease. I'll take this L'Oreal Paris Matte Signature eyeliner in the shade brown, and I'll create a very tiny wing. Next, I will use a black eyeliner and apply it very close to my upper lashes, and I'll create a very thin line. This will help in defining my eyes a little more. I'll add a brown kohl kajal on my upper waterline. And very slightly on my lower waterline as well. I'm using a light brown eyeshadow. I'll smoke out my lower lash line. I'll use my favorite Loreal Lash Paradise, and I'll keep the direction of my lashes outwards. This is how your lashes should look. To make my eyes look a little more elongated, I will be using the Pac M72 eyelashes. These lashes are very dense and long towards the end, and it makes your eyes look very dreamy and romantic. Do you see the difference already? Next, I will be using the Swiss Beauty Blushing of Love blush in the shade 03, and I will be using these two shades together. So this is a very pigmented blush and has a slight sheen to it, which will give a very beautiful healthy glow to my face. I'll apply my blush on this area of my face, not on the apples of my cheeks, because I want to make my face look a little more uplifted. And for highlighter, I'll be using the Nykaa Shimmer Brick in the shade Good Old Gold, and apply it on the highest points of my face. I'll also apply this on my brow bone and the inner corners of my eye. For my lips, I'll be using the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kaapi. And on top I'll use the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Champagne Mummy. And apply this only on the centers. I'll apply a lot of highlighter on my collarbone to make them pop in. And lastly, I'll add my bindi. And that is the finished look, everybody. You can literally wear this look for a night wedding, a day wedding, a festival, a party maybe, because it is so subtle and wearable, but at the same time it is very elegant. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of this look? I though absolutely loved it. All the products that I have used in today's video will be listed in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And if you enjoyed watching today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Help me hit 100k soon. And also follow me on Instagram, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Mwah.